I've been looking for an excuse to make this popcorn video for the longest time because we all buy this kind of, and I'm not knocking the brand, but we all buy this kind of microwave popcorn. And if you've ever really looked at the ingredients on microwave popcorn, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there that you can't pronounce, preservatives and so forth. When I know that I can take a paper bag, a little bit of coconut oil, and popcorn seeds and make the same kind of popcorn. So why haven't I done this before? Well, I just hadn't really been motivated to do this, but I was sent this truffle infused Parmesan Inspirations seasoning that looks like it'll be amazing on popcorn. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to review this today. We're going to let you know what we think of it. And then if you want to buy some, then you can click the link that's right here in this post. All right, but first things first, let's go ahead and show you how I would make this popcorn without all the preservatives in a paper bag. So I just use a little lunch bag, same kind you'd use for kids. I'd take some of my popcorn kernels. And not too many because I'm just making this for one. Just want to kind of give you an idea, right? Just to cover the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and put just a drop of coconut oil in. You could use avocado oil, you could use olive oil. And then here's the trick. Because this bag does not come with a seal or a way to seal it that's safe for the microwave, you just simply tear down the sides and then fold it a few times. I'm going to fold that one that way. I'm going to fold this one the other way. I'm going to do that one in the other motion. We're going to go ahead and pop this into the microwave. And I will tell you the exact amount of seconds and we'll show you the result. All right, let's go ahead and open up our bag and see what we've got here. Look at this beautiful popcorn. And let's see what's left at the end. I got a whole bowl of popcorn out of those few seeds. And look, no kernels at the end. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just show you that. Look. So we did a pretty good job. That was a total of, let's see, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now, if you like salt or you like butter, feel free to go ahead and add that in. But what we're going to try today, as I mentioned before, is this Shawhan Farms. Now, Shawhan Farms is in Texas, so this is an American product. It's truffle infused Parmesan, and it smells amazing, guys. So let me just kind of show this. We're going to get this all over our popcorn. I'm going to be generous because I really like the way that this kind of smells. All right. I am also going to put, I think, a little salt, but let's taste first because you know it's always better to taste. That's good. You might not even need salt. Adding a little bit of butter really made that blend stick nicely to the popcorn kernels themselves. So I think the secret here is add just a little bit of butter to your popcorn. Shawhan Farms Parmesan Inspirations Truffle Infused Blend will kick up your movie night or date night. Give it a try. The link is below.